They say your money grows in the bank, but does it really? While the numbers in your account may rise, inflation eats away at its value faster than you think. In this video, we'll show you 6 powerful assets that not only protect your wealth but can help you build generational prosperity. Gold, silver, and platinum have been trusted for centuries as stores of value. Why? Because they are scarce and can't be printed like paper money. While inflation reduces the purchasing power of cash, precious metals tend to rise in value. For example, an ounce of gold in 1950 cost $400. Today, it's worth over $2,000. And some experts predict it could soar to $10,000 by 2032. Want to invest without holding physical gold? Try gold ETFs, an easy way to track gold prices without the hassle of storage. Precious metals like silver aren't just shiny, they're crucial for making electronics, medical equipment, and even electric vehicle batteries. Take cobalt, for example. Its price doubled between 2012 and 2022, driven by the growing demand for EVs. You don't need a warehouse to invest in commodities. Consider buying stocks of mining companies, commodity-focused mutual funds, or even ETFs linked to industrial metals. When the economy is unstable, certain currencies offer protection. Take the Swiss franc, known as a safe haven currency. During times of crisis, like the 2008 financial meltdown or the 2022 energy sanctions, investors flocked to the Swiss franc, driving its value up significantly. Even if you can't open a Swiss bank account, currency ETFs or platforms like forex.com allow small investors to profit from currency fluctuations with minimal capital. Government-backed securities are among the safest investments. When you invest in treasury bills or bonds, you're essentially lending money to the government, which rarely defaults. In the US, treasury bonds not only offer better returns than bank savings but also come with the assurance of the government's credit. You can easily buy them through the Treasury Direct portal or from brokers. Stocks might feel risky, but not all stocks are the same. Value stocks, like those in established industries, tend to provide stable returns and dividends over time. For an easier approach, look into dividend-focused mutual funds like Vanguard's High Dividend Yield Index Fund. These funds diversify your investments and make it simpler to grow your wealth steadily. Land is one of the few assets that never depreciates because its supply is limited. Demand for homes, offices, and agricultural land only grows with population. For instance, housing prices tripled between 1992 and 2020 despite major economic downturns. If buying property feels out of reach, consider REITs, real estate investment trusts, or rental properties that generate passive income. Collectibles like vintage cars, rare art, and limited edition items aren't just hobbies, they're investments. A 1955 Mercedes-Benz recently sold for a staggering $135 million. Even if high-end collectibles are out of reach, platforms like Whatnot let you trade rare baseball cards or action figures. And apps like Masterworks allow you to invest in fractional shares of art and other high-value items. Protecting your wealth is more important than ever. Whether it's through gold, real estate, or stocks, diversifying your portfolio is the key to financial freedom and stability. Which asset will you start with? Let us know in the comments.